doing joint ventures whenever you're in any type of real estate transaction, especially when you're wholesaling, can be very beneficial to both parties. So let me go ahead and explain who would benefit from actually doing this JV. So let's just say you're a new wholesaler, right? And you got this hot deal and you have no buyers, even though I always recommend getting a buyer's list before actually looking for sellers. But anyway, let's just say you did it backwards. All right, you got this hot deal and you have no idea who to sell this to, right? What you could do is actually contact a wholesaler who has a large buyer's list, right? This person with this large buyer's list, you could actually contact them and let them know like, hey, I got this deal. I was supposed to make $20,000 on it, but hey, I don't care. 10,000 is better than no thousand, right? So with that, you contact them and you get a actual JV document that shows like, hey, this is what the actual split is and this is what it's gonna be. Once you actually have this document drafted up, you'll go ahead and file that with the title company as well, because you wanna make sure that everything is all legit, right? And as you draft that, then you'll be able to have them assign the contract over. And if they assign it over, then it has to split with you as far as the assignment fee. So you want to make sure that you're actually having that JV document. Don't take anybody's word for it. They're like, oh yeah, just go ahead and just allow me to go ahead and get this on the contract and we'll get it going. No, your contract still stays in place, but you have a joint venture contract, all right? And then they assign the contract, and once it all closes, then based on that JV contract, that's how the split happens. So again, it's a great tool. It's a great strategy to be able to save a deal, because what you don't want is to be in a situation to where you have something that would have closed, but because you couldn't find a buyer, now this person that was in foreclosure, all of a sudden they lose their home because you didn't get a buyer before you started looking for these properties, right? So with that being said, make sure if you're wholesaling, get your buyers first, right? And then go look for sellers. But regardless, you could always JV with someone. Let's just say you're in a new market that you're not familiar with. It's a great strategy to actually go and speak to somebody who knows what they're doing, right? And have a foothold in that market to get the ball rolling for you. All right, so with that being said, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you love the information I provide for you, go ahead and like this video. And if you have not already, subscribe to this channel so that I know you love me. All right, so thank y'all so much, and I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care.